Let's chat a little bit about Eicher Motors numbers in greater detail. Bharat Gianani is research analyst from Sharekhan, who now joins in to talk about the numbers in greater detail. For Eicher, by and large, Bharat, we're expecting a fairly strong set of numbers, and it's the Royal Enfield sales that could really drive the revenue growth higher. Is this what you're factoring in for the headline number?
Yeah, so definitely while the numbers for the volume growth has clearly moderated for Royal Enfield. So in this quarter there has been about 4% kind of a volume growth, but the good thing is that the realizations are up by about 7% given the better mix and the price hikes taken by the company, but the volume growth has clearly moderated. So on an overall PAT basis, while there is about 7 to 8% kind of a growth expected for the Royal Enfield division, but that will be driven majorly by price hikes and price hikes taken by the company.
Right, but given where valuations stand for Eicher, would you hope to assess within the numbers to hold on to those valuations? Because there's all that talk about how being priced to perfection, there is perhaps reason for the stock to correct.
I think the volume concerns will remain in the near term. The strike at the Chennai plant, which is ongoing, is likely to impact the production in the month of October also. And if you see the landscape, the competitive intensity has clearly gone up, and with global majors such as Harley Davidson announcing sub 500cc product, although it may take time, but Harley Davidson is a very strong brand contender. Also, we have a launch from the M&M division, the Java bikes in the 300 to 350cc category. So that again will be a bit of a competition. Although the market has factored in a lot of negatives, but still at this levels as well, we continue to retain hold rating on the stock.
All right, and what is the commentary that you would want to hear from the management, and what's the outlook on the stock going forward?
So clearly the competitive landscape in the two-wheeler space, that is currently a bit of a concern. We would like to hear how the management would like to counter that, and also the production targets which the company shares. We would also like to get some update on the strike, at the ongoing strike at the Chennai plant, and how the negotiations are going forward, and what do we expect in the near term.
Thanks much for taking time out, joining in and giving us an assessment of the quarter that's expected from Eicher Motors, as well as the outlook on the stock. A whole call being maintained.